click on the subscriber button so that you'll be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful slit in a professional way, and also I show you how to attach the lace to the slit. So imagine this is your front and back of your kurti fabric, and you're joining that together by putting some back stitch. So when you open that, it's going to look like this. So this is the front part and the back part. So just like that, open it and you're going to crease it little bit like this. Okay, so now you're going to first make sure that how much fabric is there for the folding, and you can see when I fold that like this, and I have this much of fabric left over. So once you're going to fold it like this, crease that in place, and then you're going to fold that in twice, that is you're going to fold it again. So this is how it should look. So once it's been folded in place, and you're going to fold that again. So this much of slit you're going to give to this fabric, and you can see this how you should make. So when you follow these method, for sure you will get a very neat and professional slit on your kurti or kurta, whatever you make. And you can see this how it should be. So if you have pins, you can just pin that in place. If you are a beginner, make sure that you put some running stitch and you'll sew that with your machine. Okay, and this is the pretty side. So when I take to the pretty side, you can see how neat it is. It should have a continuity from the top till the end of the slit, and this is how it should be. So now I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and I'm going to sew this together. So well, like this, and I'm just sewing on the exact margin of the fabric, that is I have left a 1/4 inch of fabric for the slit, and I'm sewing on top of that. So you're going to start from the one side of the fabric, either from the front or the back side, and you're going to sew on the wrong side of the fabric, and you're going to go all the way up to the slit point. And you can see this is the meeting point of the slit. So I have just made a mark so that you can see where my stitch line is going. So this is a center point, and you're going to sew it like a box. Okay, so exactly you're going to sew on the folded edge of the fabric. So once you reach leaving a 1/4 inch of the slit point, just put the needle in, turn the fabric little bit. So now you're going to come from the back side of the fabric to the front side. Okay, make sure that the slit is folded nice and neat, and you're going to come to the front side of the fabric. Again, put the needle in, turn the fabric, and you're going to sew all the. I have seen most of them having a twisted slit part. So I can see that the fabric in the slit would be twisted because you never gave the exact allowance for the fabric. That is, from the top you're going to fold for one time, crease that in place, and then you're going to fold it again. So when you do this step, for sure the slit would come exactly like a ready-made kurta or kurti. Okay, this small step, but we don't do that step because it's a time-taking step. So now you can see how neat it is. So this is how it should be. From the top it should have a very closed point like this, and it just looks really simple and neat, and this is how it should look. So this is the wrong side, and to the wrong side you can see. So from this point you're going to leave a 1/4 inch, and you're going to have a turn to the top. So when you follow this step, you will also get a beautiful slit like this. And now I'm going to show you how to attach this lace to the slit. So from the top you're going to come like this, and when the slit point ends, all you're going to do is just twist the lace, a small twist to the lace, and you're going to go all the way down again. See, a small twist, and you can see the wrong side, and again you're going to twist that to make the pre side, and this is how you're going to give for the slit. So if you're making a customized kurta or kurti, that is if you're sewing the kurta or kurti on your own with a plain color fabric, make sure you give a very vibrant color lace like this, so that for sure I'll guarantee you it's just going to enhance the beauty of the dress. just you can buy a plain fabric and you can sew the kurti, and you just buy a 4 meters of any kind of contrasting color lace, and just attach that lace and wear the exact pant color for this lace. So for sure it's just going to look really stunning, very simple and very neat. You can have this for your college and office wear also. Very simple and very neat design. And for that, make sure that the slit point is being sewn correctly like this, so that you don't have any kind of twist and turn in your slit. And this is how I'm going to sew my lace. So one side you're going to sew like this, and again you're going to sew to the outer part of the lace. Okay, so little by little I'm sewing that. So now I'm sewing to the outer edge of the lace like this. So when you sew to the outer edge, make sure you sew it like a shape, because the lace is being a twist and turned like a. And you can see I'm just turning the needle like this to finish the lace like this. Very neat, very simple and very easy to make, and hope you like this. And if you like this video and if you want videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time with a different kind of video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.